Larry Bevan here with the Farmstead Way, and today we're going to be opening a package that I got from Erica's EDC. If you don't know Erica, she runs a channel going over everyday carry knives and whatnot, and she has hooked me up with, I think, 3 blades. I want to thank her very much, and we're going to get into this. So every day for work, I carry a fixed blade knife, and mine is getting really worn out. The sheath is falling apart. So I was talking to Erica, and she went through some of her stuff, and she found a really cool fixed blade to send me, and she said she was going to throw a few other things in there. So we'll go ahead and get into this thing. So for those of you who don't know, I normally carry a Leatherman Wave Plus, and I got a pocket clip on it, and that's either in my pocket or it's in just a leather sheath. And then behind that, I normally have a fixed blade, but since mine's getting so worn out, I didn't wear it today. So let's see what we got in here. So we got the sheath for the DBK, and she told me to be really careful with these because she wrapped the blades in paper so they wouldn't get oxidated. So we're gonna pull these out really carefully. That'd be cool. Like I said, I knew she was gonna send me this big one, but I have no idea what these other ones are. So let's get into this really small one first. So it looks like we've got a hitch and timber knife. Let's see what this is like. Oh, sweet. So this is like a kind of a classic old timers knife. So you can see that if it's focusing really well. Pretty cool. I've never carried a knife like this before. It's really good, just knives like these are good just to have stashed around, throw it in a pack. And also something like this is going to be a really cool thing to give my kids for when they are old enough to carry knives. It'll just be a basic little knife for when they're out and about doing their own little farm chores. And by the looks of it, Erica got this thing really sharp, which I have no idea if this is a hitch and timber knife. I would assume it is, but I don't know. It's got Case XX on it. Really cool little folder. It doesn't have a lock on it, but like I said, just a cool little knife. So we're gonna stick that there and move on to the next one. I'm assuming the smaller one goes with this, so I'm excited to see what this is. This is the knife that Erica said was gonna be a surprise. Hopefully I don't slice myself with this, knowing how sharp Erica can get her knives. Where is it? Oh, it's an ESEE. Nice. So we have an ESEE Rowan CR2.5. Just a nice little ESEE knife. Now I've seen these before, but I've never had one. And she wasn't kidding. She got these really packed in with, I don't know if it's, I doubt it's cosmoline, but it's some kind of really gnarly grease. And I'm guessing this is the sheath. Yep. So check that out. Really cool little package. Be kind of sweet for like a boot knife or something to just throw in a backpack. Nice. And this really nice handy leather sheath. Super cool. All right, time for the big boy, which this is the one that I'm excited about because this is gonna be the knife that I carry every single day. Now, we are still waiting from Caleb's Cleavers on the bad Larry for him to make a sheath, and I'm super excited for that one because that one was kind of more designed from the specs that I gave Erica, but this one's gonna be really cool. So once again, Erica packed these up really good, and this is not gonna be in a sheath, so I gotta be careful not to, you know what, here, we have a knife, let's go ahead and use it. There we go. Put that down. I can already tell I'm gonna like this thing. Yeah, check that out. Yeah, she got these really packed in here with grease. So, really nice fixed blade knife. I'm trying to remember I think it's Dutch Brothers Knife Company, Dutch Boys. I'll link all the descriptions and the stuff below. But like I said, this is really sweet fixed blade knife. Comes in a really nice sheath, and this will live right back here on my belt. Man, that's a nice blade. It's got good length to it. So I'm gonna have to clean these off really good. Now Erica said this is a little too big for her hands, but for me, this is going to be absolutely perfect. I'm gonna zoom in and really nice knife. It's got a nice finger swell. I think it's not a choil, but nice little finger swell right here. Got good weight to it, nice thick blade. And one of the things that I really like about these knives is they keep the spine the same width as long as they can till they get to the very end. And I don't know, it keeps a lot of weight on the knife, which is something that I really enjoy, because I just get really skittish with knives that get really thin, especially for hardcore everyday use. I just don't want to snap a blade off. So we'll go through these once more. And like I said, I'll leave descriptions to all this below. This is kind of just an impromptu video. So we got this sweet black fixed blade knife. This awesome little boot knife, ESEE knife. Really cool. And then this really cool sort of old timers fixed blade case knife. Really cool. So Erica, I want to thank you so much for hooking me up with stuff like this. This is not stuff I would normally buy on my own. I normally just kind of acquire things as absolutely necessity, and getting a bunch of really cool knives all at once is really cool. So thank you so much, Erica from Erica's EDC, on hooking me up with this cool little care package. I'll leave a link to her channel down below in the description. It's Erica's EDC, all lowercase, all one word. And if you like this sort of content, everyday carry stuff, just let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what kind of knives that you carry, if you guys have any experience with these. And this has been Larry Bowman with the Farmstead Way, and you all take it easy.